Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1312, and today's topic is there are strong reasons to add beetroot in our diet. Sorry. And why I have taken this topic because recently I have gone through some lot of research publications and lot of demand of beetroot for skincare product, for blood circulation, and for cardiovascular health. So after going through all those publications, it is very interesting to know that beetroot is a root, very deep red in color, and it is very rich source of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and these two anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds, they play a very important role of maintaining our cardiovascular health and also to protect us from oxidative stress and also to maintain our skin and hair health. And nowadays, all the literature is showing that this skincare product people, especially those who are dealing with skin health and also hair, they are using deep root, that is beetroot extract, beetroot oil, beetroot powder, beetroot capsules in market is available, and it is having two benefits. First, it is having nutritional benefit, and second, it is having health benefit. So once I am talking of nutritional benefit, it contains different type of vitamin and mineral. For example, it is rich source of vitamin A, provitamin A, that is beta carotene, vitamin C, and vitamin E. They are all very important vitamins, and at the same time they are very powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory. And also beetroot is very rich source of phenolics, and those phenolics, they are anthocyanins, flavone, isoflavone, xanthine. So these phenomenal compounds under general category we call it phenolics. They are very powerful in reducing oxidative stress, and also some preparations are sold in the market. If you apply, that is oil preparation, to your hair scalp and to hair root, and it will reduce drastically the oxidative stress around your hair, and that oxidative stress means free radicals around the hair root, and that oxidative stress around the hair is responsible of uprooting of your hair, and also your hair will not be healthy. Once you are going to take bath or washing your hair, lot of hair will be fallen and uprooted. So once you take 2 teaspoons of beetroot oil plus 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, or 50-50 we can say. If you are taking 100 ml of beetroot oil and 100 ml of coconut oil, or if you don't have coconut oil, the other best option is that is this oil, zaitun oil, that olive oil. Mix it and apply on your hair, especially rub to the deep up to the root or scalp, and keep it for 30 minutes, and then you can take bath. So it is going to neutralize all the free radicals which are around the hair root. And also this is containing boron, and boron is very good for your bone health. This is also nowadays lot of research has been conducted, and they found that this is very rich, natural rich source of nitrate, and that nitrate is converted into nitric oxide, NO, and that nitric oxide will allow your arteries to become more and more elastic and flexible, so that blood flow will be very normal and fast. And that's why, because of this reason, now some of the doctors, they recommend the natural remedy of your erectile dysfunction once you have some problem of blood flow to your organs. This is the best remedy. So let me show you the image. So here this is the image of a root vegetable that is called beetroot, and it is half cut, and you see how deep red it is, and just like blood, it is so much deep red. And it's these fibers, they are very good. They are complex fibers, and they are prebiotic, and they are very good for our gut bacteria. The gut bacteria will be healthy, and this red color is miracle for reducing drastically the oxidative stress, inflammation, improving cardiovascular health, erectile dysfunction, maintaining blood pressure and blood circulation, blood flow in your arteries. And nowadays lot of work is going on. This is beetroot oil. Is very much popular nowadays, gaining lot of popularity, especially in skin care product. Those who are interested to go for improving their skin health and hair health, so that they can buy and mix in coconut oil, and they can apply. And also the same oil mixture 50-50 you can apply on your skin also, and it is very very effective. And this oil, and also your dehydrated powder of beetroot, is sold in the form of capsule, in the form of oil, and in the form of vegetable. And you can use this vegetable as a salad, is very having very good taste. And also you can steam it, you can cook as a vegetable. There are many ways of using it. You can use it raw also. It's a very medicinal and nutritional root. So here the medicinal chemistry of beetroot is given here, and in Indian language, beetroot is called chokandar in North India, but in Nigeria I don't know in local language what they are calling, but English name is beetroot. Here, number one, beetroot is a highly nutritional food that offer numerous health benefits when consumed as a part of balanced diet. And some of the reasons are given here. Number two, nutritional benefits. So it has lot of nutritional benefit. First is it is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. And second is it is good source of prebiotic fiber. And third is it is good source of nitrate. And number four is it is high in vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin E, and also beta carotene. Number 5, it is a rich source of mineral like boron. Number 3, health benefits of beetroot. Number 1 health benefit is it lower blood pressure. So nowadays, if someone who is suffering from condition of blood pressure or blood pressure fluctuation, naturally it is very much effective as per the publications. And number 2, it improves heart health. No doubt, it is improving that is cardiovascular health or heart health, because it is very rich source of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds, and these two are mother of your heart problem. And also it is rich in nitrate, which produces nitric oxide, and that will help in maintaining your blood flow to your all body organs. So that is also one very important thing. And number three is it support detoxification. Lot of metal complexes are there, heavy metal, and it will form the complex with heavy metal. It will filter up. That is also very important role of beetroot, that is chukandar. And then reduces cancer risk. Definitely, whenever any vegetable or food, if it is rich in antioxidants which can reduce drastically oxidative stress, means the chance of or risk of cardiovascular disease, the risk of cancer is drastically reduced. And also it support brain health. Your brain cells, once they are having lot of free radicals under oxidative stress, it will neutralize, because it is very rich source of antioxidants. And also it improves blood circulation, muscles and organ blood circulation due to nitrates present in it. It's a very rich source of nitrates, and that will produce nitric oxide, that is NO. Number 7, it support healthy skin and hair. Nowadays, some skin care products are sold in the market out of beetroot oil, but here I have given you in a very simple ratio. Just take 50-50 coconut oil and beetroot oil, maybe 2 teaspoon or 100 ml, 100 ml, like mix it, apply to your hair root, hair scalp, and leave it for 30 minutes. After that you wash and keep it regularly. Your hair will be healthy, and also if it is falling, it will stop. It's a very effective nowadays, and many skincare products in different names, they are mainly adding this. And also this beetroot oil and beetroot color itself is used as a natural dye for color, for hair. And this I have given here the main structure, which are very powerful antioxidants, and that's why it becomes it comes under super vegetable, root vegetable, that is beetroot. For one is flavone, very powerful antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. Second is anthocyanin, another the same type of flavone nucleus, that is benzopyrone with lot of methoxy group, is a very powerful antioxidant. And because of this anthocyanin, this beetroot is having deep red color. It's because of presence of anthocyanin and this flavone. And also it contains beta-xanthine, another very powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound. So these three phytochemicals, they are very, very important constituent of beetroot. So with this I will stop, but my recommendation to all of you, please add in your diet. The reason is that balanced diet means you have to take such type of food which can drastically reduce two factors, oxidative stress and inflammation, so that they should be rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. And if you are adding lot of colored fruit and vegetables, and your ratio should be 80% plant product, either vegetable and fruit, and 20% animal product. So once again, thank you very much for watching the lecture.